So we got a comment in one of the last videos saying, hey, how come your recipes have all been low carb? And I thought to myself, yeah, you're right, they have. So let's switch it up a little bit today with a slow cooker pea soup recipe. And it's also vegan, which is cool. So let's get right to it. So for this recipe, you will need 1 pound of split peas, 4 medium carrots peeled and diced, 1.5 cups of white onion, which you're gonna chop, 4 garlic cloves, 1 bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and 2 cups water. With the split peas, what you're gonna wanna do is make sure and clean them beforehand. And with the carrots, you're gonna wanna go ahead and peel them before you begin dicing. Put the peas in the slow cooker first. You're gonna follow that up with your carrots. Next comes your 1.5 cups of chopped white onions, your 4 smashed garlic cloves, 1 bay leaf, your 1 tablespoon of salt, your 1 teaspoon of pepper, your 4 cups of vegetable broth, and finally, your 2 cups of water. There, wasn't that easy? Now close it up, put it on high, and we're gonna check back on that bad boy in about 5 hours. So it's been 5 hours, and you know what that means. It's time to check on our slow cooker pea soup recipe. Definitely smells good, that's for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up a little bit. I'm gonna take out our bay leaf, and then I'm gonna give it a taste. Okay, give it a few minutes to cool, and I think it's just about ready. Taste test time. Oh yeah. This is damn good. Not bad for a first try. And it just goes to show you why the slow cooker is so amazing. It's cheap and easy, just the way the buff dudes like it. So I'm gonna have the rest of my soup. I'm gonna be having this for dinner, and I've got it for the rest of the week as well because I made a big batch. And I'll see everybody next time for phase 2, day 2. Yeah, it's fun.